Hello, welcome to My Life is Math Learning channel. Today we will discuss about differential equation question. Let's look here. Equal to f of x and passes through the point 1 comma e. Satisfy the differential equation dy is equal to y of 2 plus log x base e dx. So x is greater than 0. What is the value of f of e? Let's solve the question. First solve the differential equation. Dy by y send here. Dy by y is equal to 2 plus log x base e dx. Integrating on both sides, integral of dy by y is equal to integral of 2 plus logarithm of x base e dx. Now the integration is ln of y is equal to integration of 2x, integration of ln x log of x base e minus x plus e. So ln of y is equal to 2x minus x plus x log x base e plus c. So the equation passing through the 1 comma e, submit 1 comma e, ln of e is equal to x value 1 plus 1 into logarithm of 1 base e plus c. So ln e is equal to, it is 1 is equal to 1 plus c. So c is equal to 0. Here constant is 0. So c is 0. The equation is y is equal to e power x plus x log x base e. So apply y is equal to e power x into e power x log of x base e. Y is equal to e power x and e power log x base e whole power x. So y is equal to e power x. It is the x power x. So y is equal to e power x into x power x. Now observe it. We need to find the f of e. Y is equal to f of x. So f of e is equal to e power e into e power e. X value e. There is equal to e power 2e. So the option 3 is the right answer. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question. Given that f of x is equal to mod of sin x by x. So f of x is equal to mod of sin x by x, where x not equal to 0. So limit x tends to 0. Mod of sin x by x is equal to 1 because of it is a modulus. If you take the positive side, it is a 1, and the negative side also 1. So it never be change value. Next, f of 0 is equal to 1 already given. So by the two statement we will say f of x is continuous because limit existed and both worked continuous. So find the f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to d by dx of sin x by x. There is equal to u by v formula. V into du means x into cos x minus v into du u into dv. U means sin x, dv means 1 by v square x square. So for finding critical point, f dash of x is equal to 0. X cos x minus sin x by x square is equal to 0. So it must be numerator 0 because denominator not equal to 0. X cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. X cos x is equal to sin x. So x is equal to sin x by cos x, tan x. Tan x. Now draw the graphs. The interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi. The interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Now it is a pi by 2. It is pi. It is minus 3 pi by 2. It is 2 pi. It is pi by 2. It is pi. It is 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi. So now tan x graph, it will be like this wave go. So it is a tan x graph. Now x graph will be go like this way. But we need until this point only. So it is no need of this part, no need of this part, no need of this part, because we need minus 2 pi to 2 pi. So it is no the number of intersecting points 1 2 3. There are 3 intersecting points. So there are 3, because look 2 pi for this like this only, 2 pi graph from this only. So there are only 3 intersecting points, only 3 intersecting points. Option 2 is the right answer. Next, 19th problem. Look here, integral of 0 to 3 e power x plus e power minus x by mod of x factorial dx. Look here, there are 3 x factorial will be changed the every integer. So make the integers, every integer, for every integer break it 0 to 1 breaking e power x plus e power minus x by, so it is a 0, step of 0 factorial, 0 point something, it is a 0, so no need of step also. So 0 factorial dx plus 1 to 2 e power x plus e power minus x whole by 1 factorial, because 1 to 2 the step function always 1 only, plus dx plus integral of 2 to 3 e power x plus e power minus x by 2 to 3 the value is 2 factorial. So there is equal to integral of 0 to 1 e power x by 0 factorial means 1. So e power x plus e power minus x whole dx plus integral of 1 to 2 same e power x plus e power minus x whole dx plus integral of 2 to 3 e power x by 2 minus e power minus x, so plus e power minus x by 2 whole dx. So now apply integration e power x e power minus, so e power x differential integration e power x only, e power minus x integration e power minus x minus of e power minus x, it is 0 to 1 plus e power x minus e power minus x 1 to 2 plus e power x minus e power minus x whole by 2 2 to 3. Now apply it to e power 1 minus e power minus 1 minus e power 0 minus e power 0 plus e power 2 minus e power minus 2 minus e power 1 plus e power minus 1 plus e power e cube by 2 minus e power minus 3 by 2 minus e power e square by 2 plus e power minus 2 by 2. Look, e power 1 minus e power 1 cancel, e power minus 1 e power minus 1 cancel, e power 0, here minus or minus plus will come, so e power 0 cancel. Next, e square minus e square by 2, the answer is e square by 2. Next, minus e square e power minus 2, e power minus 2 plus e power, so it is a minus e power minus 2 by 2 by 2 plus e cube by 2 minus e power minus 3 by 2. But it is in the form of 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 common, so e square write e cube plus e cube minus 1 by e square minus 1 by e cube, 1 by 2 already common, so 1 by 2 into e square e cube minus 1 by e square e cube. Option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. Next, 20th question. Given function y is equal to y of x. So the solution of the curve differential equation 1 plus sin x into dy by dx is equal to, I send this one this side, minus of y plus 1 cos x dx send this side, and 1 plus sin x also send this side, y plus 1 send this side, dy by y plus 1 is equal to minus of cos x by 1 plus sin x dx. Integration both side, integral of dy by y plus 1 is equal to minus integral of cos x by 1 plus sin x dx. 1 plus sin x is equal to f of x, f dash of x is equal to cos x. So it is the form of integral of f dash of x by f of x form dx. There is equal to ln of f of x. So dy by y plus 1, it is the ln of y plus 1 is equal to minus ln of 1 plus sin x, f dash of x by f of x form, plus c ln of y plus 1 is equal to ln of minus ln of 1 plus sin x plus c. So the point satisfy y of 0 is equal to 0. The point will be satisfied. This point satisfy means x value 0, y also 0. So submit ln of 0 plus 1 is equal to minus ln of 1 plus sin 0 plus c. So ln 1 it is 0 is equal to sin 0 0, ln 1 0 plus c. They are equal to c is equal to 0. So c value 0, constant value. Constant value 0. So ln of y plus 1 is equal to ln of minus ln of 1 plus sin x. So ln of y plus 1 is equal to ln of 1 plus sin x whole inverse, means 1 by 1 plus sin x. So ln will be cancelled. Y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x. Next, they are asking y is equal to y of x passing through the point alpha comma minus 1 by 2. Means y value 1 by minus 1 by 2. Submit y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x. So it is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x. So 1 plus sin x is equal to 2. Sin x is equal to 2 minus 1. Sin x is equal to 1. X is equal to pi by 2. So the x value is 5 by 2. X value is 5 by 2.
Hello, please subscribe our channel to get more videos.